In an unfortunate incident that had occurred on the 21st of September, a 67-year-old man lost his life when the bullets of a gun were mistakenly fired at him. This happened at NGUNRAW village in southwest KHASI Hills. According to police sources, the incident occurred when on the afternoon of 21st September, while keeping guard of animals that might destroy paddy fields, 47-year-old Lodstar Thongni had mistakenly pressed on the trigger of his shotgun and the bullet hit 67-year-old Krimshan Tongnikhar, who died on the spot. Following information on the incident, police of Mawkyrwat police station visited the location to get first-hand report and detailed information on the same. The police arrested Lodstar Thongni and registered case number 24-9-2020 US and registered a case against him under the IPC. Meanwhile, after post-mortem procedures, the body of late Krimshan Tongnikhar was handed over to his family for performance of last rites. Investigation and inquiry are on to a certain fact related to the incident.